أهلا وسهلا بكم في حلقات كيف أختار تخصصي. كثير من الطلاب اللي قابلتهم السنوات الماضية واجهوا مشاكل في اختيار التخصص مالهم، بحيث اختاروا تخصص لكن لم يناسبهم، وهذا يعود إلى عدة أسباب، من ضمنها لم يكن عندهم معلومات كافية إلى التخصص، أو أن التخصص نفسه مو مرغوب في سوق العمل، أو بعض الأحيان ما حصلوا الشخص داخل هذا الكورس يفيدهم بالتجربة مالته. من هنا أتت فكرة عمل بعض الحلقات لنشر تجارب الطلاب في التخصصات الأكاديمية، وطبعا راح نسألهم عن تجاربهم في هذه الدورات الدراسية، بحيث أن راح ينشرون التجارب مالهم. يعني كمثال طب البشري، راح نسأل الطلاب عن تجربتهم في الكورس، الميزات والعيوب والأشياء اللي واجهوها، بحيث أن ينقلون هذه التجربة إلى الطلاب الجدد اللي راح يدخلون هذا التخصص. طبعا في النهاية راح نسألهم عن أهم الأشياء اللي ينصحونها إلى الطلاب الجدد في الدخول إلى التخصص الدراسي.
Hello, my name is Danielle. I'm from Republic of Moldova and I'm first year student. I'm studying nutrition and I decided to come here because of my English. I was one of the best students in English language in my country. Another point is that English British diploma is recognized everywhere all over the world, so that after graduating I can work in each country I want.
Effectively over 2 years do the course in a sensible amount of time. Disadvantages are there's a huge amount of work outside of the lecture time. So what I like about the subject's really interesting in terms of understanding how people's minds work and how they make decisions and drive the things they do within daily life and work.
My name is Amal Shafi'i from Jordan. I'm doing Master of Safety, Health and Environmental Management under Faculty of Engineering, Computing and Science.
My name is Esmeralda and I'm studying graphic design. I'm from Indonesia and currently I'm studying in Coventry University. So I've chose my major because I like drawing very much. I like designing.
Hello everyone, my name is Sayyid Adnan Al-Alawi. I'm doing civil engineering course. This is my second year in Coventry University.
The assignments themselves can be daunting at first when you haven't studied for a number of years. But once you get that first paragraph done, it's pretty much okay from there. However, there is plenty of help available, thankfully.
Good morning, my name is Helen Stacey and I'm the Associate Head of the Business School here at the University of South Wales. I'm really pleased to be able to say hello to you. Okay, so why human resource management? It's something that I've been passionate about all my life really. I went into HR initially by accident, but I loved it and I wouldn't want to study anything else and wouldn't want to work in any other field. For example, I've done my teacher training as well. I do firmly believe that people learn throughout their lives, throughout their careers. Reflect on themselves, almost look at themselves in a mirror and think, what do I need to do to improve? And I'm no exception to that. I think I can continue to learn and hopefully will always do that till whenever I decide to exit this life.